Okay, alright, I'm here. I swear. Wait. Oh. Okay. Alright, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, that's where we draw the line. Okay. Hello, Neo. Thank little baby Jesus. Only 5 pounds 9 ounce, little baby Jesus. Don't even know a word yet. Look, I like the baby version better. Okay, when you do grace, you could say bearded Jesus or teenage Jesus. I like the baby version. What's that song called? It's called "See the Light." Fruity. Can we get the song back? Dude, that song is so ridiculously 2010. It's oh God, man, what an interesting time. Spaghetti. It's even got the auto-tune chick in the background. They always sample like one movie of like one woman saying something in a movie that's like, I love you, and it's like, oh, I love you, I love you. You know exactly what I'm talking about. The system is down. Here. Tape will show them that song. Do double up dub do double up dub do double up dub sucker system do double up dub do double up dub do double up dub sucker system sucker system double up dub the system is down Sorry, I can't really keep that up for that long. Roll the tape back. I want to do more of those. So that's how today is gonna go. Oh, yeah. Here, we'll fix it. Do you have a bad case of? No. Does that say third orbital launch tower? Wow. Alright, Kev. Tommy Vassetti. Huh. Never thought they'd let him out. Fellas. By the way, I've been playing Kerbal a lot more. I feel responsible. Okay, turn the music down for a second. Hear me out. 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 If we go over to Zach, right? Zach Golden. Where are you? There's my guy. No, that's the wrong Zach. Alright, here. Let me just copy the tweet this way. So, Zach... Oh, yeah, it's CSI Starbase. I always forget. I always forget that. So, it's with a K. Yeah, right. Yeah, no. He doesn't like it when people say... When people don't put the K there. That's how I was taught to spell Zach, but whatever. So, there's that. But Zach actually posted something yesterday, and I only got around to it for Space News for like a split second. Because there was a lot of SPAC yesterday. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Unless I missed it. It's gone. The tweet's gone. Dude, we saw some orbital launch mount parts in Biloxi, Mississippi yesterday. Unless I dreamt this. What's that? What's that, Sean? Hey, alright. Miata. Very nice. Oh yeah, there's a dash 8 right there. Nice, dude. That's cool. It was on a truck, yeah. Hey, Koopsy. Welcome to Mission Control. You go with throttle up. And you get the mission complete music. Alright. I think it was an old tweet that someone linked.
Discovery, go and throttle up.
Here. Okay, if we can't find that, here's what I can give for you.
Discovery, go and throttle up.
Here's what I can. Oh, Vin, 39 months. That's cool. Goopsy, hey Jay, yesterday I graduated from my astrophysics degree and I've been watching you throughout my degree, so I thought I'd give you my Prime sub. Whoa, Mr. Big Shot. No, that's awesome, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. Goalie, should we show them this? You find it, Reagan? Oh, okay. Yeah, there's orbital launch mount parts just being made and being shipped all over the place. We found some near Biloxi. Was it Biloxi, Mississippi? Yeah, there it is. Thank you, Reagan. Definitely not. No, we shouldn't. We shouldn't show them that. That one right there. All right, fine. Yeah, we won't do it. Maybe some of these other ones though. Nah, never mind. So we saw orbital launch parts being moved. Orbital launch pad parts being moved near the drone ship. So that's interesting. Elon, what you doing, Elon? Another vertical thing, boring. Yeah, but the cranes, Ando. I'm in it for the cranes, dude. It's all about them cranes. It's all about the crane rigging, baby. Okay. Music. They move with grace. Indeedy. Mozzie, Reagan's got it. Thanks, buddy. Dudes. Hold on. I gotta show you this. So here's the YouTube vid for it, right? Here's the YouTube vid for it. What is this? What is this? Oh my god! How many hashtags do you need? All right. All the we need all the hashtags, dude. Yes. Hashtag viral. Hashtag EDM lifestyle. Hashtag pound sign. I watched the VOD and I liked your idea of a bathtub repairman stream. It'd be so goddamn funny, dude. Dude, that's such a good idea. No, it's hashtag pound sign. Remember back when websites had strings like that to make them shop up at this? Yeah. All right. All right. Which one were we messing with? Wait, where's Yeet Stick 5? Is it Tessa? You ever stared at it? Marveled at its beauty? Its genius? Yeah, Tessa, yeah, I remember that. I actually read that in chat. I didn't say anything, though, because I can read faster than I can talk, if that makes any sense. Did this work? Yeetus Deletus 5? Out of curiosity, what sparked this interest in Kraken drives? Hybrid tech, Nighthound. The hybrid tech. I was thinking we could stabilize a drive better with hybrid tech, but turns out there's other ways to beat the hierarchy with physics-less parts. This is one of those things, dudes, that I do every once in a while. We kind of go on an engineering mode binge, and I use it to learn how to do things in KSP, and then I apply that. I apply it to building crazy cool projects. because then we can do stuff like this. It's DARP, yeah, it's the DARPA mode. Yep. Come on, man. Come on. Like that. We are very much gonna run out of EC. Oh, we are gonna die. I don't know, Potato. Probably not. It did work for a second, though. I actually saved the ship. Mostly. Snacky. You like him, Liam? Yeah. Pretty good. Did you know if you take the SNA and the Aki out of sneaky, you get E? I don't know if you knew that. So this drive seems to be pretty good. Let's do a quick refresher and see what this thing does. SpaceX mission control loop is online already. Wow, that was fast. So we have a drive that's pretty damn good. Perhaps we should... Yeah, Blue, it's kind of... Yeah, did you see the landing, like, bent? Stuff like that? Yeah, dude, stuff in Kerbal does wear. I told you. We figured that out from doing stupid projects like this. There are parts in KSP that wear out over time. Just like that. It's very strange. Dude, that happens in real life. Same idea. You can't lose the game if you don't play the game. Yeah, it's too bad you just lost. Alright. Now, Yeet Stick 5, I think, was the one we should use. Because Yeet Stick 5 can do this. What was that noise? You guys want to go fast? How fast do you want to go? If the answer is yes, well, you're in luck. Click. Click. There we go. Okay. All right. Calm down. All right, everybody, calm down, please. Oh. If you're going above 5 meters a second, it'll click in at 200. Yes, I noticed that. I like this drive. We should put this drive in something. not necessarily dead crew, but it really depends, dude, if we have time. And that's not a lot of time. We don't have lots of time. No, this is as big as a P-51. Build the Rossi. Excuse me, it's the Tachi. Thank you very much. You know that whole legitimate salvage thing? They invented a word for that. You know what it's called? Stealing. I know, Ando. I don't know if it's a bad problem to have necessarily. No, we won the lawsuit. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think you sue somebody for stealing their ship. Just saying. Does it work underwater? I don't know. Go down there and find out. Coming down. In Eve, we pirates call it farming. Yeah, but you're pirates. They get, like I said, they got a word for that. It's called stealing. We're businessmen. Yeah, illegitimate businessmen. Getting some Y-Wing engine vibes from this thing. Yeah, yeah. Are the Xenon tanks critical to the design? Xenon tanks? No, those are liquid fuel, and it's for the fuel cells for the electricity to hold the hydraulic. Yes, yeah, those are there for a reason. Gonna bring her over to water. So it just got here. What am I even looking at? Ever watch The Expanse, AP? Let's just say we figured out a way to make, you know what? No, you've seen The Expanse. Just call me Solomon Epstein, okay? Yeah, Tessa, you know what? Whoever asked the water question, that's actually a good idea. Dream, you want me to upload it to KerbalX? I mean, yeah, sure. Yeah, just honestly get on my butt and just remind me. Because, yeah, no problem. Don't deactivate the voice controls, indeed. Dude, look at this thing. This is probably the most stable we have. I haven't made a drive that's stronger than this one. You got any feedback from the developers on this? They said if it's in the game, it's legit, Ray. That was a long time ago, though. I haven't seen any devs in here in a long time. Can it go to Elu? Jim, this thing can go wherever we want. Would spinning make it more stable? The most stable drives that I've had, Hip, are spinning drives. This one can be spun if we need to. I like having the capability. Having the capability is actually super useful. Oh yeah, look at this thing. Isn't that cool? I'm not sure, chillin'. How much electrical charge does it use? Top right corner, man. Not much. The fuel cells are basically keeping up with the amount of EC we need for the hydraulics, so it's using a little bit of oxidizer, but not much, Jim. But then again, it depends on how much we throttle the drive, dude. Yeah. Yeah, so AP, basically what we're looking at is a drive core. It's the drive core, but it's the drive core just by itself. And AP, hold on. I got some stuff I want to show you. I got some nice AN fittings for the fuel lines on the truck. We got the goodies, man. We got the goodies. I have those are all the fuel lines for the rear tank on the truck. So that's gonna give the truck what was it, 130 liter capacity, dude? Yeah, I splurged a little bit. I probably shouldn't have done that, but it's okay. You gotta work on the truck when it's 1,000,000 degrees out? I have been, Jim. I have to get it ready. Need that long bed for moving. Yeah, 136 liter capacity, dude. Yeah. Now, why do I need that? Is it going to be expensive to fill it up? Of course it's going to be expensive to fill it up. But the key is that you go to where the gasoline is the cheapest and you fill up there, and then you can drive around everywhere. You don't have to worry about filling up anywhere else. That's like 3 of your fuel tanks. Yeah. Dude, that truck is going to have like... Well, let's do the math out. On the highway, it gets like 15 miles to the gallon, right? And then we have 33 gallons total. Hey, not bad. Here, I got you for the kilometer, folks. That's 792 kilometer range, man. That's pretty good. And it's a manual, so if I keep it in overdrive the entire time, yeah. Dude, it's not bad considering what it is. Consider the truck weighs like 2,000 kilos, man. That thing's a freaking monster. It's some real, like, heavy duty stuff. Yeah, if we kept it in overdrive, anesthesis, right? We could get it up to almost 20 miles a gallon, dude. And I could drive like halfway to Florida on or 2 tanks of gas, technically. Dude, it's got 410. It's got 410 gear in the rear end, Tessa. If we put a more mild gear, that's gonna go up even more, and that's what I mean, dude. With old trucks, great. I love those things, man. They're super useful. And mine's almost like the fuel lines are pretty much the last thing, dude.
Discovery.
That's the last thing we need to get that thing like back to 100% stock. Can you believe that? Except for the paint. What's that? That wasn't there during NSF's flyover. Whoa, ho, ho. That's so rad. Keen to see it all finished. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. I'll hit it with some rattle can paint jobs, and we'll go from there. The thing will look mint when it's done. That's Slick 36. No, I know. if you get a ratio where you can keep it at like 1800 RPM at 70 mile an hour, it's money. Yeah, it's up at like 2500 RPM. Probably even more, Tessa, to be honest. Alright, we just gotta... Come on now. Gotta get down and gotta make sure we don't damage the drive. Alright, so... the drive's in the water. I don't know what's going to happen here. So what I will do... I will point the drive down as much as we can, and we'll engage and see what happens. Dive! 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 Whoa, it works. Dude. What the hell? Can we like... Yo, we're gonna hit part pressure limits soon. They can't... These Kerbal parts don't last too long at this pressure depth. Unbelievable. Right now, Captain Tupolov is removing all the safeties on his guns. He will not make the same mistake twice. What's max Q for this ship? I can get... I don't know what the dynamic pressure is, gentlemen, but... I don't know what the max Q is. I know that once we start accelerating past 50 Gs, the thing just decides to obliterate itself. Bashili, verify distance to target. 1 ping only. You know what the funny thing is, guys? See what I'm doing right now? I have the drive pushing down, but I'm basically... I have the drive pushing down, but I'm basically level. We're not gaining. Submarines do this. This is what submarines do. They're either constantly sinking, or they're constantly trying to float. And the bow plane on a submarine, that's what it's called. The bow plane is what keeps the thing going through the water.
Rock, this is LD on Countdown Net.
That scared the crap out of me.
Rock, can you verify that the range is ready?
Range is ready.
Copy.
Okay, that's the Countdown Net for the Starlink mission. So like satellites, just reversed. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, Hungry Hulk. Yeah, pretty much Hungry Hulk. Actually, it really kind of depends on the submarine. The back control surfaces don't move. Or the back wings, I guess, don't move. It's just the front. They need to, because the submarine's never going to be perfectly neutrally buoyant. It's never going to be perfect. It's either going to be sinking, or it's going to go up, or it's going to be floating. The bow plane trims out the submarine, and that's what gets it to fly. I was going to say fly straight through the water, but float straight through the water. We're 150 meters down. That's a long way. Submarines absolutely can achieve neutral buoyancy. Well, Wookie, you can say that, but they have to trim it out with the bow plane. That's coming from a submarine commander. One of my buddies from high school, his stepdad was a sub commander, and that's what he told me, dude. I remember this. You're never gonna get the submarine perfectly neutrally buoyant. It's going to get close with the ballast tanks, and then you use the bow plane to trim it out. That gets it to float straight through the water. Ocean floor base when?
Load is complete and go for propellant load.
Okay, Falcon 9s go for prop load. People have made submarines in this before, dudes. Yeah. We should get a pressure warning sooner rather than later. I wonder if the drive will activate at minus 220. I don't know. Oh crap. Okay. Okay, 320 meters. Let's not go down there. Okay, I'm wailing on it, Tessa.
This is LD on Countdown Net. In the need for an urgent abort, operators shall call
Hold
on the primary Countdown Net. Launch control will abort the auto sequence immediately, and operators shall proceed to the launch abort steps in Procedure 1. Otherwise, brief the CE or LD for the non-urgent no-go conditions, and they will approve aborting the auto sequence.
Oh, that's the runway, okay. Let's see, can we shoot out of the water? I mean... Way to go, Dallas! Pavarotti was the singer. Paganini was the composer. Okay. Pitch is too high. That torpedo's Russian. Oh God. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 Stop. 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, my man. Oh God. You think he's gonna be okay? Oh God. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Relax. 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 Baby, go relax. Baby. Baby, go relax. God, I love messing with these things. It's so fun. So what's giving this the drive? Okay. Guys, this doesn't make sense. This is technically a perpetual motion machine. It shouldn't... Real physics don't work like this, okay? So what we're doing is, I have two hydraulics. One hydraulic is attached to a heat shield, and the heat shield doesn't need to be there. The heat shield is just there to give me something to
Auto sequence has started.
Auto sequence is started on the Falcon 9. All right. That heat shield is connected via struts to another hydraulic, which is down here. See that? The two hydraulics push and pull. If one is pushing, the other one's pulling. So they kind of slide back and forth. All right? The second hydraulic is attached to a couple of grip pads. And then the grip pad is strutted to that heat shield. So the whole thing can kind of slide back and forth, right? Like a shuttle. Not shuttle like the thing that launches into space. The mechanical term for a shuttle. So, what happens? What happens here? The landing gear I have set to no spring and no damper strength. And the thing about it is, when you push on landing gear in KSP and you bottom them out, they impart insane amounts of acceleration on things. We call this a Kraken drive. The reason why we call it a Kraken drive is because you ever have a vehicle in Kerbal that you have like sitting on the moon and you switch back to it? Or you stop playing Kerbal for a second, you come back and you go, oh, I want to go check on my moon base. And you check on your moon base and something shoots off into space, or a landing gear blows up right when you load in, something like that. That's the same thing going on. These things can impart insane amounts of acceleration on things. And because the developers made them super freaking durable, you could theoretically just push on them forever. It's like if you were compressing a spring, okay? You're going to compress the spring, you need to push harder, you need to push harder, you need to push harder to compress the spring, right? And then you're going to get to a theoretical maximum. The spring can't compress anymore. In Kerbal, you can just keep compressing the spring. And when you keep compressing the spring, instead of decelerated forces, you have accelerated forces. Yeah, if you bottom out the suspension in KSP, it'll accelerate things. Watch. Ready? Click. It'll really accelerate things. We have a freaking Wonkavator over here. You see that, Navigator? That was a Class 6 maneuver. That was a Class 3 maneuver. Well, if that was a Class 3 maneuver, what's a Class 1 maneuver? Uh-oh. Ba ba da 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 da. No, all right. KPD are getting flooded with calls about a UAP that just rose out of the ocean. So it's controlling the orientation just depending on what legs you push-pull. This works like a rocket engine. All it does is impart accelerated forces. You just have force that gets pushed because you're pushing on the legs. So wherever those legs, wherever the grip pad is pointing, is when I push the drive in with the cow controller on the hydraulics. I have a cow controller to control it for fine precision maneuvers, right? See? Oh man, this thing needs some wings, dude. How fast to orbit? Chillin'. I'd have to slow down if I max the drive here. I'd have to slow down or else it would obliterate it on the way up. We would hit like orbital velocity at about 10,000 meters or 10,000 meters. Yeah, it doesn't work too well. Yes. New boom update. Sweet. When is the Falcon launch? Farm about 30 minutes, buddy. I really want to make it into a Trimaxian drone ship, though. If you know, you know. And I want to do this. Okay, fellas, I ain't gonna lie to you. Does anybody notice how the Trimaxian drone ship, when it goes into Class 1 maneuver mode, so like when the ship uses its endometric polyalloy to change shape, that shape right there. Okay, so Flight of the Navigator came out in 1986, all right? Flight of the Navigator came out in 1986. That looks suspiciously like a hypersonic missile. Here. Like, if we just search hypersonic missile, it looks suspiciously like one. It's kind of weird. Like, okay, that's like a render of one. Look at the front. Look at the front of that hypersonic missile. Look at that thing. What the hell? What? How the frick did they... Do Trimaxian drone ships exist? You see what I'm talking about? Look! How the frick did you predict that? How is that even possible? I mean, they didn't predict it. It's just a coincidence. But what the hell? ITAR intensifies. Man, Vasia, if we have that, I'm gonna be a little upset. If we have Trimaxian drone ships, I'm gonna be a little peeved. All right, because the Trimaxian drone ship could get to Pluto in about 5 minutes. Okay, per Flight of the Navigator nomenclature. Okay, that thing is sick. And if you haven't seen Flight of the Navigator, it's legendary. It's such a good movie. You know, we were talking about it yesterday, and we were talking about, like, oh, EJ, why do you like space so much? I watched Flight of the Navigator when I was younger. Like, that was one of the first movies I ever watched. That and Wayne's World. So, that should explain a lot. Vandenfog Force Base. Gotta be kidding me, dude. Flight of the Navigator is some of the best special effects for the time. That and Last Starfighter, dude. Those two movies, man. I watched those when I was really young. I think those two movies might be the reason why I like space so much. Science fiction precedes science. All things begin with an idea. You know what, caveman? You're right. Yeah, Tan, for sure. I was already hooked on space when that movie came out. I love Flight of the Navigator, man. That's one of my favorite movies. Whoa, this can't be happening. I think I might have imprinted part of your brain that has absolutely nothing to do with operating this ship. You sound just like a human. No, that dumb dog will never learn how to catch a frisbee. You are an inferior species. So if you're so perfect, what are you still doing here? I told you, I crashed while looking at flowers. Crashed while looking at flowers? I was checking out some daisies. Sounds like you're the inferior species. Oh, the threat. Oh, I'm really scared. Look, I'm shaking. Have you seen Idiocracy? Yeah. Mike Judge, man. This does look, curiously, a lot like some of the UAPs that we see flying around. I could never catch that movie in its entirety. Well, that's a shame. Also, Flight of the Navigator made me like the Beach Boys, which was very annoying because I distinctly remember in like kindergarten, right? Some kids like, most kids like the Beatles, strangely enough. And I liked the Beach Boys. I thought the Beach Boys were better. I know that's like sacrilege for some, but Flight of the Navigator, all right? I never saw David shooting around in the Trimaxian drone ship listening to Day Tripper, okay? Even though that's a good song. But it's not round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, woo! I get around, down, round, right. I got a down, come around. Yeah, I know, it's apples and oranges, Tech. I like both of them. I'm not the biggest Beatles fan. I listen to the Beach Boys more than I do the Beatles, though. I'm sorry, the Beatles don't have songs talking about a 4-speed dual quad positive traction 409 in a 62 Chevy. I'm sorry, they don't, okay? They talk about Strawberry Fields or whatever. Strawberry Fields or whatever. Alright, my 4-speed dual quad positive traction 409. I mean, I'm sorry, like, I don't know what to tell you. Not Rocket Property. Yeah, that song's amazing. Yep. And Yellow Submarines. In the town where I was born, we're tripping on a lot of shrooms. Those are the lyrics, right? Thomas, what's your last, buddy? What's up? Freedom Stick Lightning. Oh, yes. Dude, that's right. We have that too. There's an SRB test happening after the launch. And once again, I ain't hating on the Beatles. I actually like a lot of the Beatles' early stuff, to be honest with you. Chris, 10 subs. Yeah. I like the Beatles' early stuff. Like anything pre-Sgt. Pepper. That's what I like that song. So like Twist and Shout, Day Tripper, those songs. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Like those songs. Yeah, I like those. And the band begins to play. Some hard psychedelics were involved there. But honestly, Good Vibrations by the Beach Boys is that's probably one of my favorite songs from the 60s. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitation. Good bop bop. Oh no, I broke it. No, stay. Okay, cool. We need to put this in a ship before Falcon 9 launches. I had to sing I Want to Hold Your Hand for an elementary school music and dance performance, and it was awful. Huh. Yeah, Sgt. Pepper's good, though, Tess. I appreciate the album, but we get into the late 60s, dude, Led Zeppelin. The Beatles don't write, I mean... No. Fault. It's Led Zeppelin didn't write tunes that everyone liked. They left that to the Bee Gees. Knowledge was getting dropped by Mike Myers. Put it on Kerbal X before doing anything else? Alright, fine. CCR. John Fogerty, man. Hell yeah. Blue Sky? Okay. Alright. Primer, that's ELO, right? Wow. Nice F-15. What is this? Who did this?
Stage 1 Pogo.
Stage 1 Pogo. So Pogo is when they start flowing the liquid oxygen in. It's a typhoon. Only not. It's like better than a typhoon. Look at that thing. That's impressive, dude.
Discovery.
My boat. Oh, it's even got the crest on it, dude. Name Lenin, class Sovietsky 2. SSCVN. I love it. It's called the Lenin. It's the Soviet 2 class, but it uses an American hull designation. So submarine, carrier, nuclear powered. I like that.
Stage 2 RP1 load complete.
Stage 2 RP1 load is complete on the countdown net. That's cool, man. It's a great build. Anyway, here, let me throw this thing on Kerbal. Whoa, 138 notifications. All right. 30 knots submerged. 1.3K parts. Yeah. Okay. Kerbal saves. Engineering mode. Ships. SPH. Hang on. Let's go. Make sure we save Yeet Stick and Yeet. There we go. Mid-70s Iron Maiden. I mean, I'm a fan. I'm a fan, dude. Early Iron Maiden is good. Iron Maiden got really good right around 1980. That and Saxon, if you like new wave of British metal. Saxon is one of my favorites. Super underrated. Denim and leather brought us all together. The Doors are where it's at. Yeah. Screenshot. Now we need to go to Imgur. Ha! Doesn't even populate Imgur anymore. It populates. Alright, what is this? Oh, that's Zonic's plane show from yesterday. Images. Posts. Copy the link. It goes fast. Hashtag EJ. Hashtag Wait, oh, wait. You know what we should do? You know what we should do? We should, on that royalty-free song that has all this stuff here, yeah, let's just copy all those. Yep. And then let's just go back over here and, yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. All right, next. Did it take all those tags? Oh, it did. Sweet. Okay, step 1. Put it on runway. Step 2. Hold H key for a little while. Step 3. Lift off the ground. Step 4. No. Wait, hold on. Hold H key for a little while until it leaves the ground. Step 3. Get above 5 meters a second. Step 4. Get above...
Stage 2 LOX load has started.
Stage 2 LOX load is good. Get above 250 meters. Step 5. Kraken Drive Yeetus Prototype number 5. Eric Johnson. Heavy Industries. There we go. Maybe we should put these up here. There. To operate. Save. Publish craft. Where's all my hashtags? Oh, alright, whatever. Needs to be a big label that points to the front. The probe core is on the front. Sent you something. Oh! We just got a message from Mother. I don't understand what that means, Mutter, but alright. Huh, okay, cool. There's only one step. What the hell? Edit craft. Ah, there we go. Save it, view craft. Yeah, there we go. All right, there we go, and it has all those hashtags in there. Actually, you know what? I want people to see it here. So, like, let's go in here like this. Edit craft. Edit the description to just go in here like this, and then yeah, there we go. There we go.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Hashtag Octothorpe. Hashtag you know I'm somewhat of an engineer myself. Why is it bold? Oh. Okay. No, it didn't like that. Nope, it didn't like that. What am I doing? It didn't like that. Stop! What? Oh, it's picking up the hashtag as a bold. I see what it's doing. Save? Maybe if we space it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I see it. So, wait, does that mean we can... Nice. Save. There. Oh, wait. Step 6. Getting fancy with it? No, we're not getting fancy with it. We're getting crazy with the cheese whiz. All right. There we go. Add a dash in front of the line to make it a bullet list? No, it's fine. It's fine. It's 220, Hip. Yeah, this drive likes to go at 220, not 400, which is strange. Anyway, there. You guys want to screw around with Eat Stick 5? That's one I'm comfortable putting out and messing with. And you don't need these struts on the back, by the way. Pretty sure my messages have a 60-second delay for you. Between them and I see something you see for my reply, I'm perpetually late to the game. Well, Weather Guy, here's what I'll do. I will clap, and then you tell me when you see it. No problem, Dream. I got you. Yeah, have fun with it. It doesn't like pushing more than 200 tons. It really doesn't like that. But it will reliably push around 30, 40, 50, 60 tons, no problem. You could put it in a spaceship. You could put it in an airplane. It'll go very fast. So Weather Guy here, ready? You tell me. All right, one more time. Huh. Interesting. Hey, Ozzy, what's going on? Did you test its max speed in space? Neo, we could get to the speed of light with this thing if we were patient enough. The second you hit the Twitch limit. Okay. Interesting. Can you put them in multiple nacelles? I haven't tried a dual drive with this, Mutter, to be honest with you. Haven't tried dual drives. I'm not sure if this is strong enough to do it. Yeah, we're going through the night at the speed of light. The hard and the strong can achieve the high. Doing good last day in COVID quarantine and getting back to work. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, Mutter, I haven't done dual drives with this. I haven't tried. The reason is because sometimes the drives put out differential force if you have them 2 times over. So, I mean, I don't know, dude. I did make this drive easy to mount to things, though. The batteries in the SAS are just there. That's what the drive looks like. They're just there for testing. This is what the drive looks like. Oh, shoot. You have to hit 1. I forgot about that. Yeah. Fellas, this is for you guys, and if anybody watches the VOD, you guys have to hit 1 to get the hybrid tech to work correctly. Theoretically, you don't need the hybrid tech, but I want to keep it just because. You know what? I'm gonna add that to the steps because that's super important. Because that is not as it was tested. Let me edit this. Step 1.5. Hit action group 1. Nothing should happen. Have you seen Cursed Turboprop A380? That's loud. I really wish that wasn't loud, but yes, yet here we are. Boeing had this idea 35 years ago. Yeah, contra-rotating unducted turbojet. Or, well, high bypass turbofan, technically. Yeah, NASA and Boeing came up with it.
Chill has started.
Okay, we got a chill down on the first stage engines. Airbus just trying to do what Boeing did 30 years ago. I get it. You ever see this thing, S? So, this is a turbojet. It's a turbo... Well, not a turbojet. It's a bypass turbofan, right? And... to be honest, if I'm remembering correctly, they took the what did they do? Oh, I forget. I think they took the bypass off. They took the bypass off and they made it a low bypass fan, and then the N1 turbine.
Stage 1 RP1 load is complete.
Stage 1 RP1 load is complete on Falcon. Then they took the N1 turbine and put it on a planetary gear set for contra-rotators. So this is a low bypass, unducted contra-rotating turboprop. The idea was to increase fuel efficiency. That's what they were supposed to do, or that's what they were trying to do, increase the fuel efficiency. They were trying to very much increase the fuel efficiency. And the thing is that it works. This is really, really good because propellers move a ton of air. They just can't move a ton of air at high speed. That's why you don't see like a jet-engined helicopter, like a helicopter with a jet engine pointed straight up. You need those blades, and you don't need to move at high RPMs. So with this turboprop plus the contra-rotating fan, you could make it with like a low bypass. You could make something insanely fuel efficient. Like this thing was super fuel efficient. There was a problem though. There was a problem. Problem is it's freaking loud. It's
Falcon 9 tanks are pressurizing for strong back retract.
Did the launch cast start? Hold on. Huh. Yeah. The problem with it is that it's loud. Here, let me see if we can get that flyby. It is so loud, dude. Listen to this noise.
Return to Mojave Airport at the conclusion of the successful test flight.
Yeah, that doesn't show it. It's dubbed sound. Yeah, thunder screech loud, Winter Scythe. Exactly. That's they ran into the same problem, dude. It is absurdly loud.
Known in the industry as an ultra bypass engine
Listen to
or
this.
prop fan. It's equipped with two large external fans that rotate in opposite directions. The fans are 11.5 feet in...
Dude, you can tell that they turned that sound down, but listen, it peaks the microphone. They turn the sound down and